All right, y'all. So this is a homework question out of 2.2. This is question number 5. And it says, in these problems, complete these exercises by selecting the correct graph for each exercise below. So y'all, first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to do number 5. And let's take a look at number 5. And it says our problem is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 49. Now, y'all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do a little stare and compare, okay? I'm going to look at this piece right here, and I'm going to look at our particular problem, all right? So, sorry, let's fix that, makes it look like that. All right, so y'all, when we have something like this, our circle, the center of the circle is simply the point H and K. So I want y'all to notice something here. If you notice on the inside, there's a minus H and there's a minus K. But my center is just the point H and K. So what I need to do, y'all, every time is whatever numbers I have here, I'm going to change their signs to get my center. So if I were to come back to this problem and I were to say, okay, look, I want to know what the center of my circle is. The center of my circle, y'all, I'm going to change these signs, 5. I'm going to change that sign, 1. And then, y'all, the last number is the radius being squared. So if my radius squared, y'all, is the number 49, the way we would find the radius is we would take the square root, and the square root of 49, y'all, is going to be 7. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my problem, and I'm going to see, okay, which one of those circles is centered at 5 and 1 and has a radius of 7, okay? So let's do this. Let me come back here. And let me go to my homework question. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so y'all, what I'm going to try to do again is find a circle that has the center at 5 and 1 with a radius of 7. So look, y'all, I'm going to blow this guy up real quick to make sure. I'm sorry, 5 and 1. Here's my circle with 5 and 1. And again, y'all, if I wanted to find my radius, I could just count from the center either to the right or to the left or going up or going down. But that circle right there, y'all, has a radius of 7, and that one is centered at 5 and 1. Because if you look, the center of that circle is 5 and 1. So y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this guy, and I'm going to try, boom, there we go. And I'm basically going to do that for every single question. Let me come back, and I'm going to do number 8 now, okay? So let me come back here. And let's take a look at number 8. So we said this one here, boom, was number 5. Let's take a look at problem number 8. We'll do the same thing, y'all. If I look at 8, my equation is x plus 5 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals, again, 49, right? Sorry, I know it's a little messy. Let's fix that. Okay, so remember what we said to find our center. We're going to change those signs every single time. -5, -1. Again, if my radius squared is 49, when we take the square root, we're going to use the number 7. So now I'm going to look for a circle where the center is -5 and -1, and the radius is 7. So I'm going to come back over here, okay? And I'm going to say, okay, let me see -5, -1. I'm going to check this one here, y'all. So notice, -5 and -1, my center is still, my radius is still 8. I'm going to take this guy, and I'm just going to drop him right there. And then, we'd continue with the rest. But that's basically what I'm doing, okay? Y'all got any questions? Let me know. Happy to help.